Hello Capricorn! For today's video, let's do a general love reading for you. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mensahe sa iyo ng baraha when it comes sa iyong love life. This is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Saturn, and if you have a heavy Capricorn in your natal chart / birth chart, ang video na ito ay maaring para sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung anong meron pagdating sa iyong usaping love life. But before we proceed, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga bagong subscribers, followers, and lahat ng mga nag-avail ng ating personal readings. Thank you so much sa inyong pasensya, sa inyong tiwala, and thank you again sa mga nag-iiwan ng kanilang energies sa pagko-comment, pagla-likes ng ating mga videos. Pwede nyo rin i-check ang iba nyong placements sa ating playlist dito sa channel na to. Baka may ibang messages for you. So, ayun. Huwag nyo kalimutang i-check out yun. Let's see. Capricorn. Kunin mo lang kung saan ka naka-resonate, gawin mong guide. Kung hindi naman, ibigay mo sa iba. Pwede sa single to, it's complicated in a relationship, and even sa may mga pinagdaraanan sa love. Ano natin? For some of you, pwede kayong maka-receive ng messages or ng message, maring kontakin or kontakin kayo ng someone ninyo, or pwedeng ikaw to. Roles can be reversed. Good. I can also see for some Capricorn, meron kayong challenges ng inyong kapareha sa pera. Nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict ni person dahil sa pera. We got Ace of Wands. The Empress. The Hierophant. Judgment. Six of Wands. Six of Swords. Queen of Cups. For some of you, if you are single, there's a new beginning with a new person here. Pwedeng makilala mo to sa sagsagan ng breakup, pakikipaghiwalay sa iyo ng ex mo. And you might allow, or you will allow this person to enter your life, pero you're not emotionally connected kasi you're still hanging. I heard the word hanging. Nakikita ko rin intuitively in my head ang card na the Hanged Man. Yun yung card na may taong nakabitin, naka-upside down. For some of you are still waiting, or yung puso mo, yung emotions mo, andun pa rin sa past person kahit na you are entertaining someone new. For those naman who are in a relationship, bukod sa challenge sa pera, meron ako nakikita ditong challenge when it comes to actions. Nakukulangan ka when it comes to your person's actions or expression niya sa pagmamahal niya sa'yo. And for some of you here, you feel like in a relationship, for those who are in a relationship, nasasayang yung emotions and energy mo kasi kahit nakikita mo as may potential ang person mo or yung relationship ninyo, hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng tamang conversation or tamang tugma when it comes to pagpaplano or pag-iisip, pakikipag-usap. What else? Nine of Pentacles. For some of you, Capricorn, meron akong nakikitang family issue. Pwedeng kayo at ng person mo may family na hindi masyadong maganda ang nangyayari. And for those who are in a relationship, there's a family involved na hindi gusto ng family mo ang person mo. Or it's vice versa, hindi ka gusto ng family ng person mo. Kaya meron ditong pag-aalangan na itutuloy pa ba ang relationship na ito. The Tower. The High Priestess. Four of Swords. Nine of Cups. And Queen of Pentacles. Ayun, for those who are in a relationship, there's a family involved here. Maring hindi magkasundo ang family, both sides. And for those who are single naman, still, nakakapit ka pa rin doon sa past relationship. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, kahit na you are, may part sa'yo na accepted mo na yung kahinatnan or ending sa inyo ng person mo. For those naman na nasa complicated relationship, medyo magkakaroon ka ng pag-iwas dito instead of pakikipag-usap or pag-usapan ninyo ng person mo at maring mag-focus ka na lang muna sa mga tangible things, sa iyong pera, sa iyong career, kesa sa intindihin ang pag-aayos ninyo ng person mo, which is to be honest, that's really kakaiba. Kasi instead na i-balance mong ayusin kung ano man ang meron sa iyo ng person mo, medyo i-redirect mo. Instead of gumawa ng paraan para ayusin, parang hahayaan mo na lang na okay, ayaw mong ayusin, ayoko na rin. For those who are single na Capricorn, meron ako nakikita you might meet someone sa working environment, no? Or this could be someone na mapera or mahalaga sa kanila ang finances nila. And breadwinner to. Medyo showy siya when it comes sa flashy when it comes sa mga pangyayari, big events sa buhay niya. Medyo magkakaroon ka lang ng problema when it comes to emotions dito. Pag-handle ng emotions. And for those who are in a relationship, there is a transformation here when it comes to emotions. Maaring yung ang nakikitang stability noon sa relationship masusubok dahil sa agreement or disagreement ng family. Both sides. What else? Ace of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. The Devil card. This is the Capricorn card. The Moon. The Hermit. And Eight of Wands. Okay. For those who are in a relationship, meron ditong toxic attachment na paulit-ulit nang nangyayari sa inyo ng person mo. But instead of fixing this sa pamamagitan ng pakikipag-usap, parang dinaraan na lang sa regalo. And para mabilisang mawala or maayos matapos dinadaan sa ganun instead na maturely communicating about it. And meron dito, for some of you, especially if you're single, you might meet someone na sa una, very distant siya, pero siya rin ang mag-i-initiate ng conversation. And for those who are in a relationship, Although ang daming pentacles dito ha, pentacles or pentacles kasi is all about earth signs, and Capricorn is one of the earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, pentacles, and ang element nila is earth. And earth in tarot is ruled by pentacles. Larawan niya ng stability pero and mabagal na growth. But at the same time, na nakikita ko dito, there is a toxic, slow cycle going on. Yung parang lalapit, uurong na naman, lalapit, uurong, lalapit, uurong. Instead na magkaroon ng kaayusan at kasaganaan ng relationship tulad ng inaasahan, nagkakaroon ito ng distance or gap at paglayo. Meron ditong hope na maaayos pa naman to kung ikaw at ang person mo ay totally open when it comes to communication and initiation. Meron kasi ako nakikita dito na may tendency na mas tumakbo sa ibang tao kaysa sa ayusin ito. And for single naman, ayun nga, bukod sa maturity ang nakikita ko with this new person, meron ako nakikitang challenge dito when it comes to emotions, expressing their emotions, pero you will still open naman na kumilala ng bago, but at the same time you are not trying to attach yourself agad-agad. And for those who are in a relationship, sobrang laking factor dito yung family at maring magkaroon ng domino effect sa pera. So may advice ko lang, if you are in a relationship at nagkakaroon kayo ng rock bottom ng person mo, try to communicate, try to initiate communication and listen rather than puro talk. Alam mo yung buka ka lang ng buka ng bibig mo pero hindi mo ino-open yung puso at isip mo sa mga sinasabi ng person mo, kaya hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng the same frequency or the same level of understanding. And this is your reading, Capricorn. If naka-resonate ka at nakatulong sa'yo, don't forget to like, comment anything so that we can continue uploading our videos. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.